Hello guys, Janica here. For no reason, something paused. So I'll be showing 2 clips because Amber made me show a short one. So there will be 3 videos uploading at the same time maybe. Okay, let's just watch them. I hope this will take very. If you see the other channel of hers, we were at Kids and Sarah's house. We were all giggling. We were giggling out there because we did weird stuff when we watched our videos. Because on Amber's iPad, we couldn't hear anything. We were just looking what we were doing and laughing. Gecko. I'm gonna watch you guys what you do.
I'm so embarrassing. If someone watched this, I will be embarrassing.
Yeah, and everyone's gonna laugh at you if they see this in school. And I ain't pausing. This is gonna be on YouTube video.
Can anybody put me?
Oh, and today I'm sick. That's why I sound weird. I always sound like this.
Yeah, she always had an Allie voice.
Yeah, so I really don't actually sound like this. I sound like I'm so boring. Instead, I do these fun things.
Oh my goodness.
And that's my auntie and other auntie. They're so young.
Yeah.
The other one draw stick man. And the other one draw better than the other one. The other one, the small one, is only preschool.
No, not preschool.
You are preschool. And that one is high school.
I'm not high school.
I meant...
Third grade, Janica.
No. You're in,
She's lying, people. Don't believe
No.
her.
Oh, whatever. So, Krisa and Cyril, is the place that we went on Amber's channel. So go check it out. Her channel is Cute Cupcake. I hope so.
It is cute. No, it's cute cupcake cookies.
Oh yeah, Cute Cupcake Cookie. Sorry. So watch this whole thing, please. Give me 10 likes.
Janica, your first name gotta be Captain, and then
Okay.
your last name is gonna be Cookies.
Yes, sir. Okay, I'm Captain Cookie, so you're supposed to say yes, sir. So bye. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.